Guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be using beauty supply store eyelash glue that I wanted to try. When I went there the last time, I was eyeing it, and yeah, so this time I went there and I picked it up. Okay, so this is called Grip Bond, Grip Strong, and Grip Safe. It says the brush, latex free, so it dries dark. So it says #1 lash glue. Okay, so let me show you again. This is how it looks. It does have the tip and everything. So you guys know usually we use the what's the name. So I want to just put it on my eyelid and just put the glue. I'm going to be reusing my lashes today and then put like a liner on and try to conceal. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So, and this is by Grip Bond, and it's also said Eben, New York, on the back. So but I'm pretty sure it says Grip Bond is the brand name for this one. Okay, yeah, that's what it, Grip Bond, that's what it says here. Okay, so this is what the tip looks like. All right, so that's what we're gonna do today. So this was $3.99, by the way. So what we're going to do, you have a choice, by the way, to just put it like so and be done with it. But today I'm just going to hold my eyelid like this and put it there and then put the lash on. Okay, I have my mirror here to try to lead me as much as possible. So now I'm just going to grab my lash as I would and just put it on. So this is how it's looking. So like so. Okay, what you guys think? Looks pretty good, don't it? And it's on. It's on. And if you don't want to put an eyeliner, it looks like if you don't want to put an eyeliner on, you don't have to, by what it's giving me here. Basically, if you are not someone that knows how, like me, still struggling how to draw that eyeliner, you don't have to. But if you do, you can just put a little bit of cat eye and be done with it. Okay, so let's do the other one. Okay, like I said, you have two options: either to put it on the lash band, or you could do it the way that I'm doing it. Reusable, and So that's it, you guys. So let's see if we can make a wing. Girl, I do not want to mess it up. Maybe just a little bit. Just like that. Like I say, if you know what you're doing. I'm gonna stop right there, y'all. So this is what I came up with, and this is what I came up with. So I'm just gonna leave it right there. And yeah, so it's on, guys. It does dry black. Like I said, if you don't want to put out an eyeliner, you don't have to, because it does dry black and it gives you that eyeliner look. But if you want to go overboard, you can. And yeah, so again, I use my reusable lashes, and I think this is the third time I'm using them. This is from Dollar Tree, by the way, so you can do it. So yeah, so yeah, so this glue is $3.99 again. It's from Grip Bond, you guys. So it says #1 lash, you guys. So yeah, it's on. Let me know what you think down below. Do you like it? You know, what do you think? It's on there. Everything is on there. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.